Pixie learning how to swim. See if we can get a good shot of her ridiculous swim.
Come on. Pixie. Ready? Yeah.
There she goes. Bounding.
You did better, that's all.
She's getting better. Wasn't quite as dumb, but it's the funniest swim I've ever seen a lab do. Let's try one more, see if we can get it recorded.
Fix. Come on. Come on.
And she's off.
Start. I can feel it just a little. Come here, Pixie. Pixie, come here.
Just a little bit further, Daddy.
Pixie. Ready?
There she goes. Can she get it? Is it going to be too far? I think that's too far, Daddy.
Come on, Pixie. Come on.
You can do it, baby!
Come on, Pixie, go.
Yay! Good girl!
Girl.
I think, by golly, she's got the hang of this swimming thing.
That was pretty decent.
That was a good one. That was real far out, too.
Okay.